Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents why you should wash your hair with apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is used as a remedy for many health and beauty tips. You can also use it to take off wattles and warts, to make a facial wash and prepare detoxifying drinks. Often soaps and shampoos can strip your hair and your skin its natural oils, leaving them dry. To rinse your hair with apple cider vinegar is an excellent treatment for your hair and scalp. Among many other benefits, it can bring apple cider vinegar to your hair. Benefits of apple cider vinegar for hair. Number 1. Balance the pH of the hair and scalp. There are many commercial hair care products that have a negative effect on the hair, leaving it dry and brittle. Our hair has an ideal pH of 4 to 5. The acidity of the ACV rinse means that it can help maintain the pH balance of your hair and remove build-up at the same time without stripping the hair of its natural oils. Number 2. It seals the hair cuticle. As a result, light is reflected off the hair, making it smoother, softer and shinier. This also enables the hair maintain more moisture and helping prevent split ends. Number 3. Serve as a treatment for dandruff, itchy and dry scalp. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help to treat a dry scalp, eliminating the fungus that causes dandruff. Number 4. Untangles hair naturally. You can replace the conditioner. Your other natural choice is coconut oil. Number 5. Stimulates hair growth. Apple cider vinegar can unclog hair follicles clogged by an infection that creates scales on the scalp, which can lead to hair loss. Apple cider vinegar stimulates better circulation in the hair follicles, which strengthens the roots and promotes hair growth. Using apple cider vinegar to rinse hair. First of all, you need to use the right apple vinegar. Choose a pure organic, unfiltered and unpasteurized, no refined you find in stores. Buy a quality apple cider vinegar that contains the mother of vinegar, which is the murky thing that sinks to the bottom of the bottle. This substance contains beneficial enzymes, bacteria, pectin and minerals that make apple cider vinegar good for you. It is also a good idea to shake the bottle every time you go to use to distribute their content well. You can even make your own natural vinegar. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. Preparation: in a bottle of spray, mix 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar with a cup of water, using the same ratio if you plan to do more of it. Apply shampooing. Apply the apple cider vinegar, rinse, massaging well your hair and scalp. Leave it for a couple of minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. No need conditioner. Do not let them get in the eyes that hurt. Do this treatment once or twice a week. You can also include herbs in the rinse, making an infusion in water beforehand. You can add lavender to leave a pleasant aroma or rosemary to stimulate growth. You can also check a few drops of essential oil for a healthier hair. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.